Somebody hands you a name and an address from 9 years ago and asks you to find them. Most people start by typing the name into a search box. That's the step that wastes the most time. Public records are excellent at 3 specific things, and useless at a 4th. Knowing which is the whole job. They place a person somewhere on a date, a recorded deed, a court filing, a license renewal. Each one is a dated pin. 1 pin tells you nothing. 6 pins in order tell you a direction. They connect a name to other names. Probate files name heirs. Deeds name co-owners. Business filings name officers. When the person has gone quiet, the people around them usually haven't. And that's how most difficult searches actually break open. And they prove a thing happened. A certified copy from the office that issued it is evidence. A screenshot from a people search site isn't, however accurate it happens to be. What they will not give you is where somebody is right now. A current address gets assembled out of several records. It is never a lookup, and anything promising otherwise is selling you a guess. 2 things stall most searches. Records are local, county by county, state by state. There's no national deed index. Someone who lived in 3 counties has 3 separate sets, and searching one of them returns a very confident nothing. And an index entry is not the record. It's a pointer. The co-owner, the prior address, the other parties, all of that is inside the document, not in the line pointing at it. Below, you'll find a guide for each record type. And if you hit an office that only answers by post, send us the name and the county instead, usually back within 24 hours. Like and subscribe for the rest of the series.